Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and you can see from that thumbnail, I kind of got a little bit deluged this week. Actually, yesterday I got one kit, and then I got the email that I got two more on the way from Tomble, the kind folks at Tomble. I'm not going to try to juggle them in front of this camera, so I'm just going to shift over to that one there, and let's take a look and see what's in those there boxes of. Some of the last Fords. I don't know if we're going to do any more this year. These may be it. And you know what? This is really a weird video because usually I don't do multiple kits, and I usually don't do videos of something that's sold out. And these are sold out, and I'll tell you why. So here we go. My camera's at a fixed place, so I can't raise it up to get all of them in here. We just got to see the little bits of parts of them. They're all inside the same. The difference is going to be those decal sheets. So we'll go through and look at this. So what's the deal? What is wrong with these crazy old men? Well, what's wrong with these crazy old men is we are moving to, with everything in the new boxes, but we're going to very low production numbers on our kits. So the goal is to do 3 to 4 kits every month. We've always had fresh bread every month. Well, we're going to start popping almost like fresh bread every week. So let's start by getting into the Austin Cindric. So once again, see, there's our new donut box, and with all the donut boxes, it's got all the licensing information and, you know, the barcodes and everything like that. Colors you're going to need for building these. You're going to need pure white to paint the body. You're going to need French blue to paint the part of the body, and then some other things for inside. So let's take a look and see what we've got in here. You know, opening one kit is going to be the same on all of them because they're all the white. There's our clear tree. There's our white Ford body. Oh yeah, the round squishy things are round and squishy. There's the hood. They call these the radiator pants. I know it sounds kind of funny, but that's what they call them, and it really does make sense. So there's our black tree of black parts, our metallic parts, and our white parts for all the interior. This bag is the same on all of them, whether they be the Toyotas, the Chevys, or the Fords. All those parts are the same. And because we didn't want to have to make a mold on everything, you get the old hood, you get the old pants. You're not going to use those, but you are going to use the air intakes, you're going to use the spoiler, and you're going to use the dashboard that come in the kit. So here we go with this difference. Of course, everything has the black Ford decal sheet. Those are all the same. As I just drop stuff all over the place here, making old man noises. And there is that decal sheet that Clay did. Those look so cool, the PPG decal sheets. You know, it's funny looking at these here and then looking at them on my monitor. In my monitor, the pinks and purples look day glow in my monitor. They don't look it here, but they look it in my monitor. So, oh man, you know, Clay always does such great work. So let me put that back in. And I'm actually going to pause things because there's not really a good reason for you guys to see me open up and pull out the bags on everything. So I'll just reach underneath, grab the decal sheets and instructions, slide this over out of my way. There's our instructions, and there's that discount tire sheet. You know, I love being able to brag on the fact that we've got the best decal designer in the business that works for Power Slide, and he does all of our stuff. So thank you again to Clay. Man, there's so much stuff stuck on there. So let's now take a look at the Brad Keselowski. Okay, so here we are with the Brad Keselowski kit, and cool looking car. And on the bottom it says colors you're gonna need. You're gonna need Tamiya white and Tamiya insignia white for the chassis. That's pretty basic, which kind of tells me you're not painting a car green. There's going to be a whole lot of green decals here. So I moved the decals up to the top, a little easier to get to. And now let's take a look and see what that sheet looks like. Oh yeah, there's a whole lot of green going on, and the hot stamped metallic door numbers. That costs us extra money to do those foil numbers, and boy, they do look pretty, don't they? You know, you can see that reflection. Well, you're seeing the reflection of everything, not just on those. But yeah, those are cool. Well done, Clay. Man, absolutely beautiful work, my friend. So that's what we got on the Keselowski decal sheet. And once again, everything that's inside the kits, they're all the same. Okay, for those of you who have ordered these kits, had them on pre-order for a while, thank you so very much. Glad you did. Thank you for your patience, but they are now starting to ship. Some of them are shipping with the Builders Club guys in just a few days. Some of them are going to be, if you ordered some of them before, they'll be shipping out before some of the Builder Club get theirs. So anyway, all three of those are going to be on the way. The Austin Cindric, the Ryan Blaney, and the Brad Keselowski, those are out of here. We may be doing another Ford or two possibly this year, but if we do, those will be the last. If we don't, these are the last we're doing. It's not because we have an issue with Ford themselves. It's because of an issue with the licensing company that represents Ford, and we can't make any money off the sales of our kits because the cost of what they want for the licensing is just too exorbitant. So unfortunately, you guys are going to be out until we get a new agreement with Ford in the near future. So hopefully whoever the new team is for Dodge, or teams for Dodge, hopefully somebody's going to be doing well enough that we're going to have to bite the bullet and make a mold next year for a Dodge. But don't hold your breath. That will be kind of cool. It'll be nice to have the three major U.S. manufacturers back in all together in the fight. So that will be great. So we are close. For those of you who have been waiting also on the Chevys, you've heard a lot of the stories going round and round, difficulties with the American companies that we've had to do the molds for us, and they're just major issues with the mold machining companies. So we're having to go back to across the ocean to get stuff done, and hopefully we will have things. Hopefully we'll have the Chevys. Cross your fingers, pray for us that we'll have these going maybe in September, because we really want to get the Chevys out. There's just been so many great ones this year. And then after we get the Chevy, then we're going to jump neck deep into doing the Toyota body, because this has been a heck of a year for some of the Toyota drivers. And maybe by then, the good folks at 2311 will finally get around to signing the contract, and we can start producing those when that mold gets done. That's it for today. Come join us on Saturday mornings at 9 a.m. here on 9 a.m. Central here on YouTube for our weekly live show. Sometimes it's live, sometimes it's recorded, but tomorrow it will be live. And just kind of you'll keep up on the newest of things going on. And when you look at the kits, let me grab one of them around here someplace. Happens to be the Joey Logano. Down here, If you scan that, it'll take you to the Builders Club page on our website, and you can look into the Builders Club where you'll get a kit. Everybody gets the same kit of the month, which is really cool. You get a discount on it. You'll get discounts on any other kits you want. There's added decals. There's a club sticker, the Tuesday night Facebook page, and you get about 400 or 500 new buddies that you never knew you had. Maybe even some in your area that are building our kits. So take a look at that. And once again, thank you for buying and building and watching these videos. We greatly appreciate it, because this gives a couple old guys something to do with our lives. So talk to you guys soon.